With the blast-off of the Shenzhou-7 mission just around the corner, the head of the Beijing Aerospace Command and Control Center, Zhu Mingcai, is busy checking the final preparations. He says that compared to the country's previous manned space missions, Shenzhou-7 is the most challenging.
It will be the first time that one of our astronauts will walk outside the capsule. The astronaut needs to be very careful before, during, and after the activity. And we need to keep contact with the astronaut and the spacecraft during the 40 to 50 minute long process.
To meet the challenge, the center has made a series of meticulous preparations. Staff at the center have made over 90 plans and installed a brand new computer control system that can issue about 1.5 million commands to help better control the spacecraft. In order to ensure the reliability, stability, and accuracy of the system, the center has made more than 30,000 tests. Meanwhile, 267 backup plans are also in place to deal with any emergencies on board the spacecraft. Zhu says those plans require over 100 staff at the center to make quick and accurate decisions at critical moments. With all of this preparation, the head of Beijing's Aerospace Command and Control Center is fully confident the Shenzhou-7 mission will be a total success.
We've gained experience from the previous Shenzhou missions, and through the full preparations that we've made, we're confident we can successfully complete the Shenzhou-7 mission.
Li Xiang, CCTV.
And all through this week, we here on CCTV will be joined by our reporters who will be at various locations through the country as the Shenzhou-7 mission begins and as it continues. Next up is my colleague Wang Mangmang, who's standing by at the Beijing Aerospace Command and Control Center. Mangmang, welcome to this program. Thanks for joining us. And I know you arrived just an hour ago, but what does the latest information give us? Any new updates?
Right now it's 12:15 p.m. Beijing time, and it's 4:20 GMT. But here in the Aerospace City, we are also talking in terms of the Shenzhou-7 time. That is how many hours and minutes away from the launch. So as the final countdown is approaching, what we have here is a rendezvous of experts and technicians. They are here to fine-tune and to test all the equipment for one last time before tomorrow's launching moment. And right behind me is the Control and Command Center. And the reason I'm standing outside in the rain is that the staff there are working on the final preparation, and all journalists are banned from entering the building. One of the most intriguing things here is a voice system that allows conversation with astronauts when they are in space, allowing them to hear command from the ground and making their voices heard. And just last week, a large-scale rehearsal was held in the control center. Experts simulated the entire process from the moment the craft enters space to its return to Earth, and they analyzed all the situations occurred during the entire process to ensure immediate and accurate response in the real mission. Back to you.
Well, Mangmang, as you said, you're standing in front of the Beijing Aerospace Command and Control Center. Now, we heard earlier that the center is crucial. It's one of the nerve centers of the Chinese manned space missions. It will take control of Shenzhou-7 about 5 minutes after its liftoff. Now, apart from that, what are its other responsibilities for the scientists waiting inside?
Well, generally speaking, immediately after the launch, the control center here will be responsible for making arrangements and issuing command to the spacecraft. So as you said, it is considered the nerve center of the entire Shenzhou-7 mission. And besides command and control, the center is also responsible for analysis and calculation, data processing, and many other technical tasks. Just last week there was a large-scale rehearsal, and experts have been simulate the entire process of the Shenzhou-7 mission, and besides, and these are the technical tasks that the control center is responsible for. Besides that, the entire aerospace city is also very crucial. All China's 14 astronauts, including the Shenzhou-7 crew, are trained here. And the training consists of 8 categories and 58 steps. And the steps is considered when each task is finished, the astronauts is another step closer to the space. And the most challenging steps here are the centrifuge, the swivel chair, and the magnetic swing. The centrifuge here is Asia's largest manned machine of its kind, and it can simulate lasting overweight condition, and the astronaut has to endure a load of up to 8 times of his body weight. And the swivel chair spins 360 degrees in high speed. It also moves back and forth and up and down, and to train the astronauts to endure vertigo. And remember, these are just a small part of the training. That's all the news I have here right now, James.
On a very rainy lunchtime in Beijing, thanks for joining us, Wang Mangmang, who is standing by at the city's Aerospace Command and Control Center with more updates from all our reporters through this week live here on CCTV.